Hey guys, we're getting ready to head over to Loboc, the town of Loboc here in Bohol. We're gonna go over there, take care of a few things. We gotta go to the bakery, order a cake or two, birthday cake for Eden, and it's her birthday tomorrow. And then we're going to just maybe do a little quick walk around the town, show you around a little bit, and then we're gonna hop back on the tricycle and come back to the Loboc River Resort here. So hope you're ready to go for a quick ride with us, and yeah, let's check it out. All right. Okay, we just rolled into town here in Loboc, Philippines. We were looking for a Red Ribbon Bakery, which is kind of the big ticket bakery here in the Philippines. They do not have one here, but the locals highly recommended Joji's Bakery. So we're here to order a birthday cake, hopefully. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, we got our water. Yeah, there's a few things that... What's that?
Behind you.
Okay, yeah. I'm not gonna walk out on the road. A few things that stand out right away that I think is pretty cool. First of all, this building right here, this old building.
I will go and talk to them because they said okay already.
Okay. That old building right there, I think looks pretty sweet. That statue over there, I think looks pretty cool. The church looks ancient. And then, hell, this building right on the corner here looks pretty old. All right. For the second or maybe even the third time, the Joji's Bakery was a success. We're done. And we just have to show up tomorrow to pick up our cake. So take a quick peek at this town. Take a quick peek at this town before we head back to the resort. Look at what we got here. Look at that. Old bell tower. I don't wonder how old this is. Oh. So let's take a quick walk over here. Are you back there? All right. Yeah, our tricycle driver is being nice enough to wait for us here. So I don't want to keep him too long, but I also want to check this out real fast. Now, we came down the river yesterday, right underneath this bridge here. This bridge kind of looks like something they may have started to build as a, well, vehicle transport bridge, or bridge for vehicles. But then, or maybe not. It's hard to say. So the old church is right there. Another old building off in the distance, right over there, which looks pretty interesting. It's really pretty. Let's take a walk across the bridge. It's hard to imagine the devastation that took place here a year ago with the typhoon. Can you imagine being here during that time? And the winds are just catastrophic. Okay, and there's the road that will take us back to the Loboc River Resort. Well, that was pretty freaking sweet. Hope you all enjoyed our little tricycle ride out to Loboc. We didn't have a lot of time to spend there. We were there just to do some bakery stuff, but we tried our best to show you what we could in the limited amount of time that we had. We had somebody kind of waiting for us, and I mean, I guess we could have had them drop us off, and we could have walked around and done a bunch of stuff, and but we figured,
in town it's going to rain.
Yeah. Oh, in town it's gonna rain. Okay. Well, yeah, we just wanted to kind of get out there, take care of what we needed to take care of, and then get our way back here. This is where it's all at, right here at the resort. This is really where we want to be the most. So, and do our swimming pool and just relax, chill out. We got all our business taken care of out there. I didn't really see any ATMs.
They have ATMs, but no BPI.
No BPI.
But then
so
if you want to go for another thing in Emuelier, you can just pay 50 pesos for the transaction. For the cash out.
Where at?
In Emuelier.
Oh, like this. Oh, kind of like a Cebuana type deal. Okay.
That's why.
Right.
I didn't see any BPI bank or ATM here.
Okay. Yeah. Well, maybe tomorrow. We have the day tour tomorrow. That's gonna be kind of a guided tour of Bohol, Chocolate Hills, and oh boy, I can't even remember all the other spots, the tourist destinations we're gonna be going to.
Loboc River buffet land.
Yeah, lunch on the river. We're gonna do that, and then ATVs. I guess we're gonna be out there buzzing around on ATVs.
Going to the Chocolate Hills.
Yep. So it's gonna be a big day tomorrow, and we had to get this cake thing taken care of today because it's, well, you know, you gotta place your orders in advance because it's made to order. So the staff was friendly enough to, or kind enough to volunteer to go pick it up tomorrow, so we don't have to bother with that. Of course, they get some cake too. So with that being said, that's it. That's only those are the only obligations we had today, is to get out there and take care of the cake. Now it's time to just come back, kick back, chill out, hit this pool right here. Let me see if I can show this to you. Yeah, this is our pool. Well, I shouldn't say our pool, but it is kind of. So we're gonna come back out here and just freaking veg. That's what we're here for. So at any rate, there's my transition line. At any rate, we're about done here. So I hope you all enjoyed the trip that we took to Loboc, and a little bit of Loboc that we were able to show you. But until next time, y'all take care and stay safe.
Follow us in YouTube.
Follow us on YouTube, and we'll talk to you soon. All right. Later, guys. Bye-bye.